Good morning, student. Today we will study metal and non-metal. But before that, we have to discuss why we need to classify elements into metal and non-metal. So, reason is there are more than 100, 15 elements, and it is very difficult to keep the properties of each and every elements in our minds and to remember it. So we have classified it into two groups, that is metal and non-metal, on the basis of their different physical and chemical properties. So, but first of all we will discuss the physical property of metal and non-metal. And we have to keep these physical properties in our mind, which help us to differentiate element into metal and non-metal. So first physical property is occurrence. मीन्स कि आपको एलिमेंट मिलता कहां से, वो कहां मिल रहा है, ये फर्स्ट है. तो अकरेंस के आधार पर जो आप अगर देखोगे तो जनरली मेटल आपको कहां मिलेगा, मिनरल्स के फॉर्म में, अर्थ क्रस्ट से मिलेगा, जो कि सॉलिड स्टेट में होगा जनरली. बट अगर आप नॉन मेटल्स की बात करते हो तो नॉन मेटल आपको जनरली कहां मिलेगा, तो नॉन मेटल आपको अर्थ क्रस्ट में भी मिल सकता है, एटमॉस्फेयर में भी मिल सकता है. नेक्स्ट सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी इज फिजिकल स्टेट. फिजिकल स्टेट तो मेटल आपको सॉलिड स्टेट में ही जनरली मिलेगा, एक्सेप्ट मरकरी विच एग्जिस्ट इन लिक्विड स्टेट एट रूम टेम्परेचर. बट non-metal exist on in all the three physical state, that is solid, liquid and gas. In the form of solid, we give the example of diamond, graphite, iodine, and in liquid state bromine, and in gaseous state oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine, etc. So on the basis of physical states, metal exists in only solid state, and exception in liquid, that is mercury, but non-metal exists in all the three states, that is solid, liquid and gas. So we have know the two physical properties of metal and non-metal, that is on the basis of occurrence. Metals exist or found inside the earth crust in the form of minerals, but non-metal exists inside the earth and in the atmosphere. And on the basis of physical state, metal exists in solid generally, and there is one exception, that is mercury, which exists in liquid state, and non-metal exists in all the three states, solid, liquid and gas. In solid, carbon. In liquid, bromine, we can give the example, and in gas, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. And next next physical properties we will discuss in the next class or next video. And now you have to read this chapter carefully. Thank you.